came all this way to see you.
Both to eradicate the unemployment problem in India. The man who has taken an oath to eradicate any diseases or any health issues in India, not only in India, as well as in America also. And I would say, he's a visionary chairman. So let's welcome with your thundering round of applause. I would like to welcome our visionary chairman, C.A. Ansar sir, on the spotlight. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Rudresh. It has been an honor. It has been an honor to be a part of this team. Thank you so much for that introduction. Thank you. Okay. So, are we all ready to celebrate this 350th week? I have a few things which I just wanted to highlight in the last 7 years of our journey. We have come across a lot of things. So either I'll share my thoughts, how we reached here, and what's our way forward. So good afternoon. Good afternoon to my Indus Viva family, the DAC, our CEO, and my dear colleagues. Welcome to the celebration of 350th week of Indus Viva. I hope everyone is doing well and your families are safe. Today marks a wonderful milestone in the history of our company, and I'm glad we are all together to celebrate it. It's purely because of your selfless and dedicated efforts that we are able to celebrate it today. Now, to start with, let me say a few things about the direct selling industry. The regulatory framework of our industry has gone through a lot of positive changes, which has had a very good impact on our company. Like Mr. Abhilash Thomas always says, the prestigious KPMG and the Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry has stated that this is going to be the fastest growing business model in India. In 2015-16, it generated 80 billion rupees. The report further states that by 2020, it will generate 236 billion. And towards the end of 2025, it will increase to 645 billion. My dear brothers and sisters, this is not a small thing. India is yet to see the real growth of this industry in the Indian market. Our golden chance is yet to come. We are going to see a tremendous growth for this industry. Let us get ready for it. The government realizes that people like us contribute immensely towards the growth of the economy. Whether it is in the India or the US, our direct selling industry has played a very vital role in the growth of this country. Indus Viva is working with the state and the central government in order to provide input for the formation of regulations for this industry. हमारे तरफ से जो भी हो सकते हो हम स्टेट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के साथ मिलके हम ये कानून बनाने में कितना सपोर्ट दे सकते हैं वो हम दे रहे हैं अभी. India is going to see a revolution in the direct selling industry. According to Mr. Amitabh Kant, Secretary, Minister of Commerce and Industry, direct selling will have to be given a greater importance as it empowers women and promotes manufacturing. At the same time, it has become a key channel for the distribution of goods and services in India. Now, moving from the industry to talk a few things about Indus Viva, our company. Great achievements are an accumulation of hundreds and thousands of small and big efforts that not everyone sees or appreciates. Looking from outside, you may not be able to see the kind of effort Indus Viva has to put in to make it where it is today. Our company represents the purest form of the direct selling model. When we started our company, it filled a void in the industry in terms of trust, reliability, responsibility towards the distributors. जब हम ये कंपनी शुरू करने के बारे में सोच रहा था, इसमें जो भी गलत चीज हो रहे हैं वो सब ठीक करके एक कंपनी बनाने का डिसीजन लिया. वही था हमारा इंडस विवा. It was in fact very hard to find a company that distributors could put blind faith in. Indus Viva changed that. It challenged the misconceptions and proved that it is possible to build a reliable and viable company in the direct selling industry. Now coming to the next point, since we have already crossed 7 years, people might think this company is going to change after 7 years. Lot of, it's like every other company, there are going to be ups and downs in the company. My dear Vivites, I just want to tell you, you will not see any changes in our ethos for the next 100 years. Our ethos will remain the same or only get better. You will never have any unexpected news from this company that dampens your enthusiasm. The compensation plan will not change. The prices of products will remain the same. Even when the GST has increased and the import duties has gone up, we haven't made any changes in the pricing structure. At the same time, we are improving the products batch to batch. We are spending a lot of money to improve the quality of the product. We are constantly refining the taste and increasing the efficacy of the products. Another term that you are all familiar with is the term that we use beyond 21st century. If you look back in history, it took almost 21 years to build a monument like Taj Mahal that stands even today, even after 400 years. This shows that it makes decades to build an institution that will stand the test of time. Like Taj Mahal, the foundation and the fundamentals of our company are solid. It's my promise. Please listen to me carefully. It's my promise to you that your ID can be transferred to your children and to your grandchildren because this company will endure. If you come to our office, you will see a board in everybody's room. It states like this: whatever decisions I make, I'll keep distributors first in mind. You can see boards with the same words kept on everybody's desk. This is our commitment and promise to the most outstanding and hardworking Vivites. Very soon, you will come to know that practically and emotionally, this is going to be the distributor's company. You will own this company. Let me not discuss too much about this right now, but you will learn or you will see more things in the coming days. All I can say is that we'll be working very closer, and this will bring us very closer. Now, talking about our products, we believe that what cannot be given to our children or family cannot be given to our people. That's a value we have kept whenever we make any product for this company. Our company, Bioactives Japan, is involved in the continuous development of our products. They innovate and improve the effectiveness of the products. The effort in raising the quality will remain the most important aspect of our commitment. We had launched iWaid in the US, and now we are going to launch iCoffee. This is a testament to our increasing quality standards. Now, when we started our organization, we had a lot of dreams and goals which we had set. We wanted to have 1,000 diamonds. We wanted to be India's biggest direct selling company, and we wanted to be $1 billion company. Along with that, we also had made one more promise. The most important thing was launching Indus Viva in the US. As you all know, there are no other direct selling company that have done this. We are the only organization that has launched an Indian company in the US soil. When we were taking efforts to launch this company in the US, many people told me that we cannot launch an Indian company in the US. The best we can do is to go to Dubai or some of the neighboring countries and start Indus Viva there. Now, the result is in front of you. We have proved many of them wrong, and we have liquidated our first product, iWaid, and we are in the process of launching the new products, iCoffee as well. You have been hearing about Vibrant Viva all these days. Now, we have made this into a separate entity, a company. I would like to say a few things about the Vibrant Viva. This is one of our most passionate projects. This company will be engaged in the process of developing people for the future of direct selling. The future of our industry is in educating serious networkers and building them into successful entrepreneurs. In the coming days, you will see a lot of such initiatives which will strengthen the pillars of our company. Rich people can look after themselves. The government has many aids and schemes for the lower strata. People who fall in the middle class like us, whose incomes are just 40,000 and the expenditure is 50, these are the people who needs the support. Vibrant Viva will play a very vital role in providing this support. Now, there is a team of people who are guiding this company. Without mentioning them, I cannot move forward. That's about our DAC. Now, to talk about DAC, let me give a small quote here. All successful people are those with purpose. They hold fast to an idea, a project, a plan, and will not let it go. The intensity of purpose increases with bigger obstacles encountered. That's our DAC. Thank you for being there. You have played a very vital role in building this organization. We value your efforts and contributions. We hope that you will continue to keep the good work and support us for the future. In the last 1 year, we have been taking efforts to make this Earth a greener planet. Let me say a few words about that. Now, speaking of the company or its future, we need to talk about the future of our planet, which is currently at stake. It's up to us to help restore balance. We promote the planting of trees by providing a pack of seeds with each of our products. We are also involved in various philanthropic activities. We have a lot of patrons who are supporting us in these activities as well. We thank them for helping us give back to the planet that gives us so much. Now I'm going to conclude my speech in the next 1 minute. I have been part of the wellness industry for the past 30 years, but the satisfaction of being part of this company, our Indus Viva, and the team is unparalleled. It's a passion and a dream come true. I still remember, even though I have said this many times, I have to repeat this statement. I still remember being approached by the idea by a youngster I met 7 years back, who told me that he wanted to contribute to the industry he had learned so much. Whatever he is today is because of this industry. He wanted to give back and do something for this industry. His statement was like this. He wanted a perfect company in the purest form, which would be a dream for the distributors and networkers. He is none other than our one and only CEO, Mr. Abhilash Thomas. He continues to have the same vigor, the same passion, and the same dedication even today. Today, after 7 years, as we celebrate the 350th week, I want to thank everyone who made it possible to build this fastest growing company in India. My father served the Indian Army for several years. As a son of a soldier, I understand what it means to be loyal. It's my promise that my family and I will be committed to fulfilling the goals of this organization. I will utilize all my knowledge and experience for the benefits of Indus Viva. Thank you. Thank you for giving me an opportunity.
Yeah, I will do that. I will do it. Give me 1 minute.
Vibrant team. Thank you so much. And Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful speech and wonderful time you have given us. And we are actually blessed. We know, like middle class people, Because of your mission only, it could have been possible. And now my mom, she is ready to give it thanks to you. Okay, so mom,
Thanks.
okay, thank you very much. And that was our honorable chairperson, all the way from Kerala. So now, so I can say only one thing. हमारा जो चेयरमैन है, हमारा जो कंपनी है, दोनों में एक फर्क है. हम अभी तक जो सोचते थे, हमारा कंपनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर फ्रेंडली कंपनी था और कंपनी है. So now, my dear friend, now one more is added. Our honorable chairman also distributor friendly chairman.